Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Razr 40, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down, and swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles and locate the screen recording toggle. Now, if you don't see it on the first page, you can swipe to the left. This will show you second and the third page, where it looks like it is located for me. As you can see, screen recorder. So once you see it, you can tap on it. Now, if you're doing this the first time, it might ask you for some permissions. Starts the countdown. Once you're done recording, you can obviously stop it with the red square, and this will automatically save your screen recording to your Photos application. And we're going to navigate to Library, Screen Recorder, and you can see there's my screen recording. Now, I was looking in here for Netflix just to show you a bit of a wonkiness. So, for instance, there are some applications that have the ability to block your screen recording from being able to record these said applications, and Netflix is one of those. So if you ever encounter that you have recorded a fully black screen, just know that it was an application that has more control over your device than you do yourself. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.